Can I mine bitcoins? Mining bitcoins is a difficult procedure. It calls for specialized computers that are capable of processing complex mathematical algorithms. The price of these specialist computers is exceedingly high, and their power usage has skyrocketed. It is difficult these days to find a cost-effective setting for the installation of one of these computers or machines. The technology used to mine bitcoins is continually evolving, making older equipment outdated. Hence, mining additional bitcoin will be exceedingly challenging.